The idea of creating a smart home that will interact with you every day is several decades old. Now, step by step, through IoT devices, artificial intelligence, and smart assistants, we have come a long way with things like autonomous vehicles, which will slowly going to become more common in our daily lives. Before that happens, you can enjoy smart technologies available today that are designed to make your everyday life easier. We had an opportunity to test several of those devices made by Nedis. Nedis boasts an impressive portfolio on its website, including audio equipment, blood pressure gauges, lighting, photo accessories, PC peripherals, and laundry irons. That's quite the diverse offer, to say at least, but we decided to focus on 4 devices that we believe every home can benefit from. These smart home accessories do not come in a bundle, as they are each sold separately, but they also function independently without the need for a central hub, which we have seen on some similar solutions before, and all of the control is done through the excellent Nedis SmartLife app, available for both Android and iOS. All devices have very self-descriptive names: Smart Wi-Fi Remote Control, Wi-Fi Smart Bulb, Wi-Fi Smart Plug, and Wi-Fi Motion Sensor. So it's pretty clear from their name, as well as by looking at the box, what these products are all about. The idea behind the Smart Wi-Fi Remote Control is to combine the control of all devices into one and switch it to your smartphone. The infrared blaster is egg-shaped and covers a surprisingly large area. The phone and the universal remote controller communicate through a dedicated app via Wi-Fi. The database of supported devices is extremely large, so the remote control was able to, among other things, easily recognize our Cisco D3 device, where generally very few infrared blasters are able to control. The whole process of connecting and pairing with the application was extremely simple and very efficient, because when you first switch it on, the device enters pairing mode. Now, once connected, all you have to do is position the smart Wi-Fi remote in the optimal position, though the active field it covers is really huge, and you choose the type of model of device you are using. As its name suggests, the Wi-Fi Smart Bulb is a 6-watt LED bulb, equivalent in luminescence to a 40-watt regular bulb. The way it works is extremely simple. You mount it, connect it to the app, and leave the switch on, and then you're able to control it with your phone and change the intensity, color, and temperature of the light it emits. The bulb has RGB LEDs plus the separate 27K white color ones. The colors are adjusted through a color wheel within the app, and they are additional controls for brightness and light temperature, as well as timer options by which you can schedule the time and day when the light bulb will automatically turn on or off. The Wi-Fi Smart Plug is a smart power socket that simply plugs into an existing outlet connected to an app and lets you control the electric current flow to any connected device. This way you can connect a lamp, an air conditioner if you don't have a smart universal remote control, but also a water heater or any other device, and turn it on or off remotely whenever you like. The smart socket has the ability to measure power consumption, current, and voltage, as well as keep statistics on these parameters. The sensor does its job well, but a slightly longer cable would give it more flexibility, especially since the cable cannot be detached from the. When motion is detected, the application sends an instant notification, and you can also create so-called automatic actions by using if X then Y functions. For instance, turn on the light, alarm, or whatever else you can think of. Now, let's talk about the Nedis Smart App. The Nedis Smart App is a central control point for all of these devices, and it will allow you to do everything from pairing the devices, setting them up, and defining actions to be triggered. The app is intuitively designed. Once you have defined the space that your Nedis Smart device are in, you need to connect and configure them as you wish. In addition, it is possible to create scenes. For example, when you return from work, activate the air conditioner, water heater, turn on the TV on your favorite channel, switch off the motion sensor, turn on the lamp, and turn on the light in the hall. Or when you go on a vacation or work, turn off the lights, turn on the motion sensor, but let one lamp turn on when it gets dark or before dawn, purely to fool potential evildoers. Automation enables the connection of all available devices according to what-if principle. In addition to motion sensor, Nedis has smoke and water leak detectors, alarms, IP cameras, and other similar type of products, so you can even define what will happen in an event of emergency. Instead of buying packages with a central unit and a bunch of sensors that you don't actually need in most of the cases, Nedis has a slightly different approach. Everything is controlled through a central application, and communication goes over Wi-Fi. Someone will say that the security is not at the highest level in this case, but it should be noted that Nedis is an affordable home solution that primarily targets low cost and high functionality. Therefore, we really like that they offer a number of completely independent components you can buy according to your needs and budget, without actually having to spend a lot to get started with your smart home. Thank you once again for watching our review of the Nedis Smart Home System. Don't forget to like this video and also comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. My name is Marco and you were watching Bench House. See you next time.